Hi, welcome back to my channel, Shanette for Life. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I made my tofu scramble. These are the ingredients I used to prepare my tofu scramble. I use organic tofu, extra firm. I used the fajita mix that comes with onions, green bell peppers, and red bell peppers. I use organic ground turmeric, black pepper, salt, Slap Your Mama Cajun seasoning. I use garlic powder, onion powder, ground cumin. I use the vegetable broth, low sodium, and I also use a lime. I start by opening up the tofu and draining off the water. I then take a paper towel and drain off the excess water from the tofu. I then take my fork and I crumble the tofu up into small pieces. I'm adding some vegetable broth to the skillet to be able to saute my vegetables. I don't saute them too long because I like the flavor of the raw vegetables. I am now going to add the crumbled up tofu to the vegetables, and then I will proceed to add all the rest of the seasonings to the mix. I make sure that I stir it up and mix it up very well. And voila, here's my tofu scramble. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next upload.